Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the early 21st century, I began working on a text as I was preparing to leave the UAE after being there for 10 years, moving to Qatar. This text, which I stumbled across, was a text written by Ibn Taymiyyah, which was his treatise on the heart. And I felt particular attachment to it because I was going through a time of struggle myself. There was much that Ibn Taymiyyah had to offer in terms of understanding the heart. So I began to read it through, to translate it, and eventually gave it as a course in one of the masjids there in Sharjah, which was completed before I left. So all the notes were in place. When I got to Qatar, then I gave it again in complete form at the Qatar Guest Center, which I was appointed to head the educational wing of the center, which was the center of da'wah here in Qatar, a part of the Sheikh Eid charity. This work was published back in 2002 in an earlier form. This is the later format, which is done by Dawah Corner Bookstore from Malaysia. Ibn Taymiyyah was blessed by Allah with very deep insight into so many different areas of Islam, Islamic thought, whether aqidah, fiqh, hadith, sociology, psychology, etc. So this work, mashallah, is one worth reflecting on, especially when the Prophet ﷺ had told us, Inna fil jasadi mudghah, in the body is a clump of flesh. Idha saluha, saluha jasadu kullu. And if it becomes good, then the whole body becomes good. وَإِذَا فَسَدَتْ فَسَدَ الْجَسَدُ كُلُّهُ. And if it goes bad, rotten, corrupt, the whole body goes corrupt. This is both on a physical plane, which we know, we realize, we live, and on a spiritual plane. We should know that the heart is, in fact, the soul. I pray that you will get an opportunity to read this work of Ibn Taymiyyah and my commentary on it, and that it be a betterment for your lives, and for my life, and my future. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.